this is a girl who comes from a professional background. Father's an accountant, mother's a professor. ये लड़की ने engineering की है और फिर ये film में आ गई.
For a very long time, when you don't know what is your passion and what you really want to do in life, you just go with the flow and you take up things that come your way, which I did. So I started doing like TV ads and ramp walk, and my first ramp walk, like you said,
Delhi में?
Delhi में थी, किसी farm house पे थी. It was all grass, so I was not able to walk properly there. I also messed up the choreography because of nervousness somewhere. I took an auto to go back home, and the moment I sat in auto, I started crying.
Mimi was your high point when you got a great opportunity to act. और national award winner हैं आप. और उसके बाद then again back to the commercial genre and then delivering back-to-back hits.
I've not gotten here like, you know, it's not been like a rocket journey. मेरी life में बहुत gradual success मिली है मुझे, उतार चढ़ाव भी बहुत आए हैं. I do feel like what next and what more. जब मुझे debut award मिला था तब मैं best actress का award already देख रही थी कि मुझे मिलेगा एक दिन. But national award I had written like 2 years before I actually received it to win a national award. I have a diary of dreams. I'm a strong believer of manifestation, and in that you have to see yourself.
घर में थोड़ा attitude बदलता है कि I am the Kriti Sanon.
Yes, I did believe in myself. Arguments होती हैं, वो तो हर बात पे होती हैं, छोटी-छोटी बातों पे भी होती हैं. ये तुमने आज जो पहना था मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. तुम्हारा ना मैंने एक इंटरव्यू देखा था, you sounded a bit arrogant. तो मम्मा ठीक है ना, आपको नहीं पता है फैशन का, रहने दो.
The speculation about your love life that keeps going on, and once I think you've lost your cool also when somebody asks you शादी कब हो रही है.
I wouldn't want to ever talk about my personal life at least till I'm married.
Admitting you're in a relationship, उसमें क्या है? There are all these pictures with Kabir, somebody called Kabir in your life. Yeah.
So I just say that I wouldn't accept or deny anything.
तो chemistry किस के साथ आपको लगता है आपकी होती है?
I mean, I think Shahid and I have great chemistry. On screen, there was something there which was just, you know, there was a beautiful give and take.
And you will let your hair down with co-actors who are comfortable, you are comfortable with.
Yeah, I mean, fortunately, I've been comfortable with all. I have great chemistry with Pankaj Tripathi.
I know.
Yeah,
he's
somebody, one of my favorite ones.
Lead roles are a problem if you're married.
See, I think marriage doesn't change the fact that you're still doing commercial films. You are, but एक ना मैं कभी-कभी कुछ chatter सुनती हूँ कि अरे उसकी शादी हो गई है, वो इतना young role कैसे करेगी?
I mean, since you're an outsider, in the current day, is there even something like a casting couch?
Sure, it did exist because a series of names came out at a point. I feel like maybe now things should have changed, at least gotten better.
You don't hear the chatter that comes on other issues. इस पे कोई chatter नहीं सुना.
Things like this will really
come out.
Boil my blood.
Joining me on this episode of Baatein Dil Se is a woman who's redefined what creating a place for yourself is all about. Kriti Sanon. Thank you very much for being on this podcast with me.
It's a pleasure. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I think the time is right now.
Oh my God, I thought I was the only one wanting to do this podcast with you for the longest time.
नहीं मैम, आपकी बहुत फैन है. मेरे घर पे आपके बहुत सारे फैन हैं.
Well, दिल से शुक्रिया. But how is Kriti Sanon feeling today? Another hit up your sleeve. You've redefined what success really means. And I was reading some figures, 100 crore club, 1100 crore club, because you've given that kind of success over the last 3 or 4 years, top of the charts and looking like a $1 billion, million bucks chota lag raha hai, $1 billion in Cocktail 2. How does it feel?
It feels amazing. It feels overwhelming. I am also, I've been feeling, because I've been just seeing so much love come my way, that sometimes you feel just overwhelmed and blessed, and those moments where you just want to thank God for like everything that you manifested, everything that you wanted, you know, when you see parts of it come alive. So yeah, feeling very blessed, exhausted right now, but in a good way.
In a good way.
Yeah.
The tiredness of working hard, delivering what you wanted, वो कैसी feeling होती है when you sit alone, which may not have been so much in the recent times, but रात को जब सोने जाते हो तो कैसी feeling होती है?
आई थिंक मैंने ना कहीं पे एक कोट पढ़ा था, शायद मैं ढंग से ना बोल पाऊँ क्योंकि इतना याद नहीं है, बट it said that it's a blessing to be exhausted by something that you actually begged God for at some point. You know, so I always take it like that. मैं जब भी मुझे लग रहा होता है हाँ मैं थक गई बहुत, आज तो बहुत थक गई, I try and remind myself that this is something that I really wanted for so long, and there were moments where, you know, I was in doubt and it wasn't happening, and there were moments where I would be like, oh, why don't I have these opportunities, or why is the film not working, or you know, just wanting to prove myself as an actor. And now that it's finally happening, I cannot be saying that I'm tired. No, I'm blessed.
You're blessed. And घर में थोड़ा एटीट्यूड बदलता है कि आई एम द कृति सैनन?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. इनफैक्ट घर वाले बदलने नहीं देते हैं, which I am very grateful for, क्योंकि जब भी मेरा कई बार पहले हुआ था एक आधी बार कि मेरी मॉम ने मुझे टोका था कि तुम्हारा ना, मैंने एक इंटरव्यू देखा था, तुम you sounded a bit arrogant. So I was like, really? Because I didn't get to know. So she was like, yeah. So I feel like that reality check is very important. जो घर वाले ही दे सकते हैं, बिकॉज घर पे कौन कृति, क्या कृति सैनन नहीं, कृति है.
कृति है
या
मम्मी क्या बुलाती हैं?
कृति ही बुलाती हैं.
कृति?
मेरा कोई ऐसा नेम नहीं है, नाम ही इतना छोटा है, उसका ज्यादा बनता नहीं है कुछ.
कृति पंजाबी घरों में तो
कृति वो कृता बन जाता है, कभी कभी चिल्ला रही होती है तो, बट नॉर्मली वो कृति बुलाती है. मॉम डैड दोनों कृति बुलाते हैं.
डांट पड़ती है?
डांट बहुत टाइम हो गया है प्रॉपर वाली डांट पड़े. आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होती हैं, वो तो हर बात पे होती हैं, छोटी छोटी बातों पे भी होती हैं. कई बार ये तुमने आज जो पहना था मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा.
ओके.
सो मम्मा ठीक है ना, आपको नहीं पता है फैशन का, रहने दो. ओके. हाँ अब मेरी बात कोई सुनता नहीं है एंड ऑल, बहुत बड़े हो गए हो तो. सो वो तो लिटिल थिंग्स बट नॉट मेजर. नॉट मेजर.
तो मुझे ये बताओ, ये सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन क्या है? ये जो 1100 प्लस क्रोर्स आपकी फिल्मों ने किया है, आई थिंक इन द पोस्ट कोविड इरा, आई मीन दीज फिल्म्स हैव बीन लिटरली बैक टू बैक. पहले कभी ऐसा लगा था कि बस I've arrived? Mimi was your high point when you got a great opportunity to act. और national award winner हैं आप. और उसके बाद then again back to the commercial genre, and then delivering back-to-back hits. Did you think you were destined for it? Did you have to work hard? या बीच में फिर भी ऐसे periods आते हैं जब थोड़ी सी unsureness होती है?
बहुत periods आते हैं ऐसे. Did I feel that I was meant for it? I always felt. I think somewhere I always believed in myself, और मैं manifestation में बहुत believe करती हूँ. तो अगर मैं जब मुझे डेब्यू अवार्ड मिला था तब मैं बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस का अवार्ड ऑलरेडी देख रही थी कि मुझे मिलेगा एक दिन वो मुझे फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड मिलेगा एंड ऑल. नेशनल अवार्ड का मैंने कोइंसिडेंटली 2 साल पहले, आई थिंक जब मैंने मिमी शूट करी थी, रिलीज नहीं हुई थी, रिलीज भी कोविड के चक्कर में थोड़ा और लेट हो गया था. बट नेशनल अवार्ड I had written like 2 years before I actually received it to win a national award. I have a diary of dreams that I just write, and it could be any dream. It doesn't have to be career related, but it's mixed. So in that I had written to win a national award, and after 2 years it happened. So I'm a strong believer of manifestation, and in that you have to see yourself already getting something that you really want.
And it worked.
I mean, it worked for me. And I think वो दिल से अगर वो fear से related अगर नहीं हो और actually आप believe करो ना, I really feel वो energy जो है it somewhere attracts those things in your life. So yes, I did believe in myself, but I've not gotten here like, you know, it's not been like a rocket journey. मेरी लाइफ में बहुत ग्रेजुअल सक्सेस मिली है मुझे, उतार चढ़ाव भी बहुत आए हैं.
10 साल में आपने इतना कुछ अचीव कर लिया.
12 साल हो गए पहली बार.
12 साल, यू नो, 12 साल इस वक्त सिर्फ एक चीज के सेलिब्रेट हो रहे थे, अब आपके भी 12 साल हैं. आई मीन द डेब्यू वाज इन 2014. अच्छा, 12 साल में इतना सक्सेस है और आप कह रहे हैं कि ये रॉकेट नहीं है.
नहीं, ये रॉकेट नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट कि अरे थर्ड फिल्म में or big star or all of that. It was a journey to prove myself as an actor, which I think somewhere थोड़ी बहुत जैसे बरेली की बर्फी से हुई थी शुरुआत. मिमी में जाके कहीं ना कहीं मुझे वो establishment उस चीज़ की मिली. एक solid ठप्पा होता है ना validation का, with the national award also, I think the biggest of all. And after that, after Mimi, I had a span of about 2 years, I think, where back to back 4-5 films didn't work. I've always moved on because by the time a film has released, whether it's successful or not successful, I've already done one more film. I'm already moving on with my work life. So after that, I feel there has been in the last 2 years, 3 years actually, where fortunately something moved, and you know, there have been back to back hits, whether it's Teri Baaton Mein, then Crew happened, Do Patti on Netflix happened, then there's been
a double
Mein,
role.
now
Crew was amazing.
Yeah.
I've watched that.
And then Tere Ishq Mein also happened with Anand Sir and Dhanush, and now Cocktail. So I feel सबका टाइम आता है, वो पलटता है कभी धीरे धीरे. कुछ भी स्टैग्नेंट, आई मीन कुछ भी एक जैसा नहीं रहेगा, कांस्टेंट नहीं रहता है. चाहे सक्सेस है चाहे फेलियर है, आज सक्सेस पे हो, कल कोई फिल्म नहीं चलेगी, बट दैट्स अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ इट.
But now, when you get a success like you got with Cocktail 2, do you think कभी-कभी लगता है, खुद को लगता है, it's your own catharsis that you do, and then you say, यार, you know, I've proved myself yet again. At least that people who were saying this देख ही रहे होंगे.
Yeah, but you know, the funny thing is that I genuinely believe that I'm blessed, because I feel like I have God's hand on my head, because जब वो 2 साल का period था when films were not working is exactly when my national award came my way. And then a year later, I went to receive the national award. So I never
So you
felt,
had the positivity
so
around
I never
you.
felt the negativity in me, because I felt that that gave everyone an answer, so I didn't need to give one.
In Cocktail, did you think that you were being compared even before the film actually hit the theaters? From the trailer itself, comparison शुरू हो गए थे. Was that a pressure?
No, I think the day I signed it, I knew कि comparisons तो होंगे. वो तो, I mean, कभी भी अगर आप सीक्वल करते हो किसी भी फिल्म का, या फ्रैंचाइज का नेक्स्ट पार्ट करते हो, वेयर all the actors have completely changed, and the characters are also different, you're bound to be compared, because especially when someone's really left a big mark in the previous one, and Deepika did. I think she was brilliant in Cocktail, and it also started a new journey for her. It was kind of a milestone for her, and we remember Veronica as a character. But I think I never took that pressure on, because the moment I heard the script, I knew that Ali was not Veronica, or was not even trying to be Veronica. Yes, both are extremely free-spirited and, you know, very modern and badass in their own ways. But as personalities, they were very different. They've had very different upbringings. What they do in the film, their journey in the film and arc in the film is so different. And even I think somewhere in Homie's head, our director, Homie Attajania, even in his head, he was like, I've done that character. I wouldn't want to do it again.
So there were
And even I
different
was like, I
layers.
wouldn't want to do something that someone has done. So I treated it like I would treat any other new character. I don't think I took that pressure of the first part or being compared at all, because I knew that when people are going to see, they'll see that it's not the same character, and it doesn't make sense for me to repeat and do someone else's character. It has to be a new character.
But some reviews, called it cringe. That two women are fighting over this thing, and how inane, and also dumbing down the personality of women of today, or rather girls of today.
I actually look at it as two women fighting for their love and not giving up. It's not about a man. It's about like, I know that I love this person and I'm going for it and I don't want to give it up because I have one life. I don't want any regrets. I think that's gutsy because I don't think too many people have the guts to do that. And especially Ali's character, I felt कि मेरी morality ना उसके morality से बहुत ही अलग थी. हमारा moral compass बहुत अलग है. I don't think मैं कभी वो कर पाती जो उसने किया. But I also liked that about her because she was very refreshing in the way that she didn't believe in having any regrets in life. She believed in putting her heart out there in front of the person. And when the person doesn't choose her, she also accepts it beautifully and moves on and still roots for them. That I felt was...
Guts चाहिए उसके लिए भी.
Yeah, उसके लिए guts चाहिए, एक जिगरा चाहिए, you know.
Yeah,
for that.
very.
So I didn't see it like that. I think as an audience, when you watch a film, I feel everyone's experience is so different. What you take from a film, you like it, you don't like it. The biggest of hits, there are a lot of people who love it, a lot of people who don't. Tere Ishq mein had poles apart reviews, you know. Either someone loved it or someone didn't like it at all. So I think that's what is interesting about art, na, any form of art. पेंटिंग भी बनाई होती है तो किसी को समझ में आती है, किसी को नहीं आती है. So I
किसी को बहुत अच्छी लगती है, किसी को बहुत बुरी
अच्छी लगती है. So I think वो एक पर्सनल चॉइस है. आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ, आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस, आप किस कैरेक्टर से कनेक्ट करे हो, नहीं करे हो, आपकी खुद की लाइफ की फिलोसफी कैसी है. So I think वो मूवी वॉचिंग, आपका मूड कैसा है, आपके बाजू में कौन बैठा है. I think that also changes your movie watching experience. So I feel everyone should feel the way they want to feel, and that's okay.
But reviews में ऐसा कुछ, if you see on your social media feed, and these clips and reels that come, which are panning you, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कुछ लगता तो होगा.
See, if someone talks about my performance, I think that is something that I take a little to heart sometimes. I think if they're talking about what they felt about the film without degrading anyone, because I think it's okay, that's your point of view. And today, thanks to social media, everybody has one and feels the need to put it out.
Only one? Everybody has multiple.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so I feel वो मुझे नहीं बुरा लगता है. मैं देखती भी हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पर्सपेक्टिव्स मिलते हैं. जैसे मैं अपने दोस्तों से पूछती हूँ या उनके दोस्तों को कैसी लगी. So it's like that. But if someone talks about my performance or something didn't convince them, I think sometimes I look back at it where I look back that could I do this differently if I do it again now? Would I do it differently? So I थोड़ा retrospect में जाती हूँ, but that's it.
That is an artist who will always like to put a performance under a microscope.
Yeah, which I do.
You do?
Big time.
And you always think to yourself कि ये ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे करना चाहिए था.
So I think I critique myself so much. It's sometimes too harsh. But I feel मैं पहली बार जब अपनी फिल्म देखती हूँ ना, तो मैं हमेशा डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर को बोलती हूँ कि मुझे पहली बार जब फिल्म दिखाओगे ना, उसके बाद मेरा रिएक्शन सीरियसली मत लेना. Because the first time I'm watching the film, I'm only critiquing myself. And I'm saying, I could have done this better, or this, I should have not done this like this, or maybe I could have done this like this, or this shot is not nice.
Overthinking.
Yeah.
Overanalyzing.
I am that person, which is so away from Ali because she doesn't think at all.
आप engineer भी तो है ना?
हाँ, मेरा थोड़ा ज़्यादा logical दिमाग बहुत ज़्यादा चलता है.
मुझे ये कभी समझ नहीं आई. I mean, I've always, followed your career path, and I'd always read about it, and this is a girl who comes from a professional background. Father's an accountant, mother's a professor. ये लड़की ने engineering की है और फिर ये फिल्म में आ गई. तो इतनी पढ़ाई की क्यों थी बच्चे?
उस टाइम पे पता नहीं था ना मुझे. उस टाइम पे पता नहीं था. आई थिंक दैट वे आई फील 3 Idiots में जो बात कही गई है ना, कि हमको ना कई बार पता ही नहीं होता है कि हमें करना क्या है. लाइक आई फील इतने छोटी उम्र से एकदम सडनली सब पूछना शुरू हो जाते हैं, अच्छा आपको बड़े होके क्या बनना है, पर पता ही नहीं है कि क्या बनना है. सो कुछ लोगों को पता होता है, विच इज ग्रेट. दे आर ब्लेस्ड व्हेन दे ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट दे आर पैशनेट अबाउट और व्हाट दे वांट टू डू इन लाइफ, बट नॉट एवरीवन डज. सो आई फील लाइक आई वाज ऑलवेज अ स्टूडियस किड. My mother's a physics professor, so science, physics, all that was always there in my house. She used to teach me for exams also for so long. And then I kind of felt like, okay, maybe I can do when science, commerce or arts में से लेना था. I was like, nahi, I think science. Because I had a knack for it because of her. Then science में क्या लेना है, नहीं मुझे डॉक्टर तो नहीं बनना है. अच्छा मुझे कंप्यूटर साइंस अच्छा लगता है तो मैं मे बी कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर बन जाऊंगी, पर मुझे पता ही नहीं कि कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर करता क्या है, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर क्या करता है, आई डोंट नो. बट ले लिया. उसके बाद इंजीनियरिंग करनी तो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग थी, बट मिली नहीं, और मिली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन. चलो ठीक है ये ले लेते हैं. सो आई थिंक फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम व्हेन यू डोंट नो what is your passion and what you really want to do in life, you just go with the flow and you take up things that come your way, which I did. And I started modeling by chance,
What happened? I've read somewhere that your first performance was in a garden and you cried after it. You were walking down the ramp.
My first ramp show. I was just telling my manager right now because she didn't know this story. I started modeling by chance. मुझे किसी ने ऐसे ही बोला था कि अरे you're very tall, you should try for modeling, and I didn't have a portfolio, so I was like, how do I start? Someone said Dabur Ratnani is a big photographer, so get a portfolio done by him. And I was like, okay, but he charges a lot, I can't afford that. So my sister clicked some random pictures that today when I look at them, I'm like, these are hideous pictures, how have you clicked them?
बहन की हुई हर चीज hideous लगती है ना.
नहीं, उस
ये siblings में होता है.
15 साल पुराना सेल्फ देखते हो तो आपको लगता है ना मैं कैसी लगती थी. ये क्या मेकअप कर रखा है, why am I wearing my hair like this, what am I wearing? So those pictures I put up on there was some fresh face contest online or something, and I put them up there, and it said if you win the contest you win a free portfolio by Dabur Ratnani, and a modeling contract by some agency. And I just put it like that, not thinking anything, and I won that contest. And I got a free portfolio by him, and then I started modeling. So I started doing like TV ads and ramp walk, and my first ramp walk, like you said, दिल्ली में थी, और वो किसी सैनिक फार्म्स के वहाँ पर किसी फार्म हाउस पे थी, and it was all grass, and it was a very complicated choreography, and there were about 50 models.
50.
So it was a big show. And I had never done a show before. So I had to walk on grass, and when you're walking on stilettos, it digs in.
Yeah.
So I was not able to walk properly there. And I also messed up the choreography because of nervousness somewhere. And when we came back on backstage, she blasted me in front of 50 models, like really badly. She was very rude. And then
who's the she?
I actually don't remember. Because I never worked with her again. I never ever worked with her again because she was so rude. And she was a big choreographer back in Delhi then. And I took an auto to go back home. And the moment I sat in auto, I started crying. I completely broke down and all. And when I went back home, my mom was like, this profession is not meant for you. You need to be very confident and you need to have a thick skin for this profession. Look at Priyanka Chopra. Look at this person. You don't have that in you maybe. But I think I don't give up easily. And I'm really glad that I went for another ramp show and another photo shoot, and I overcame that, and I got better at it. I think that's been
And then,
my journey.
and then how did films happen to you?
Modeling was always a thing that I was doing because I could do it and it was an experience for me. It was also personality development in some way, but I never wanted to make it a career because I was not passionate about it. But when I was doing TV ads is when I faced the moving camera for the first time, and I felt like here I'm enjoying this. I'm conscious on a ramp, I'm conscious in front of in a photo shoot, but this I'm enjoying. I like this. And whatever little bit of acting that the ad required, I felt like it came to me naturally. And Shujit Sirkar was directing me on one ad, and I remember he said that you have the acting thing in you.
Shujit Sarkar.
Yeah, you should.
So he discovered your talent.
I was a model, and he said you should polish it and you should try for films. And I remember I was modeling for Manish Malhotra also, who just looked at me. He's like, "What are you doing here? You should be in movies. You should try for films." And I was like, "Yeah, I'm coming to Mumbai. I want to try for films." And I came to Mumbai and I started giving auditions for movies.
And what happened to the computer, electronics? You finished it?
I finished it because my parents were, so obviously when I told them that I want to try for films, they were like, okay, but you have to get a degree because we don't know anybody in the industry. And what if you don't get, an opportunity, and what if you get one and then don't get a second? It's a very insecure profession. It's not stable at all, and we can't help you in any way. So you have to get a degree and you have to get a good score in your GMAT entrance exam.
Okay, that too,
because the score is valid for 5 years.
अच्छा.
So they were like,
एक आधी फिल्म कर लो अगर करनी है तो.
मिली नहीं पहली बात तो, 2 साल वेट कर रही है, मिली नहीं तो फिर ईयर गैप आ जाएगा तो फिर क्या करेगी. और अगर मिल गई चली नहीं, मिल गई दूसरी नहीं मिली. So वो I think when you come from a middle class background, especially of like educational background of this kind, they are protective about their child.
डिग्री तो चाहिए.
Yeah, डिग्री तो चाहिए, GMAT भी चाहिए. So I was like, okay, fine, I will do this for your peace of mind. And I used to go for auditions and I used to go simultaneously for these Jambori classes जो होती थी GMAT के लिए.
GMAT के लिए.
तो वो मैं बॉम्बे में करती थी. And then I got my first Telugu film.
You actually camped here in Mumbai alone, or your...
So my dad was, now this is where I say sometimes destiny plays a role. My dad was also he was posted here for work, like for his work, for about 8 months or something. And so for about 8 months, when I just moved to Mumbai, I was living with him.
Okay.
And then when he moved back to Delhi is when I was living by myself. But yeah, I moved completely. I was giving auditions. I, did some workshop at home, just tried to do scenes and better myself. And I was doing Jambori classes. And then
GMAT दिया कि नहीं?
हाँ
दिया.
First I got a call for a Telugu film, which I got, and I was doing the film with Mahesh Babu.
Yeah. What a dream break. So यहाँ बॉम्बे में बैठ के.
I didn't know it was that big a dream, you know that? Because I used to not watch Telugu films. So actually,
but how did you get the Telugu break?
They were looking for a new girl, and I was with an agency, and I got a call. And I went there. I auditioned multiple times. I auditioned in Hindi. I auditioned in Telugu. I did look tests. And then finally they signed me up.
Wow.
And when I shot for
with Mahesh Babu.
Yeah.
And you didn't realize what's happening to you?
No, I didn't. I knew he's a big star. But I had not seen Telugu films. So actually till I really went on set, I knew he's a superstar. But I didn't know the craze. I didn't know the level of the craze. So when I went on set and I saw everyone around and the aura around, then I went for the audio launch. I saw like people going crazy. That's when I really was like, oh my God, this is huge.
Okay.
But when I shot for one schedule of that film, and there was a 2-month gap. So in that 2-month gap, I gave my GMAT exam.
Okay. And
I
what
got
was
a
the
score of 710.
710.
Yeah.
Who are you, Einstein, by the way?
No, I'm a studious kid.
Yes.
I'm a front
जो भी
bencher.
करना है बड़ा
घुस के
मेहनत से करना है,
घुस के करना है, खाना
diligent.
पीना चले जाएगा, मम्मी घूम रही होंगी जूस लेके पीछे, कुछ तो खा लो. So I'm that person. I'm the, like, if I'm doing something, I'll give it my all. But yeah, so I got
But you
that.
were doing many things, na? You were doing a film.
But I had a 2-month gap. I had nothing to do at that point. So
Okay, so मैंने GMAT दे दिया, 710 का score.
2 महीने में I met Sajid Nadiadwala and Sabir sir. Sabir sir had seen my first ad that I had done. And when I had fallen in love with the camera, that ad he saw.
Which was that ad?
I mean, I can't take a brand name. It was a toothpaste ad.
Okay, and what did you say?
And now when you watch that ad, I'm like a baby there. But he saw that and he made me audition with Tiger. And on the day of audition, he said, we're going to Sajid sir's office and you're signing this film. And I mean, I was like, what? I had to call my parents from the car itself and say, I'm just going to sign a film. And I signed that film. And then I was shooting Hero Panti and One back to back. And I was having date issues with my first films and I was very happy.
Amazing. And then GMAT
Went into the dustbin.
Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, fortunately, yeah.
But you told your parents that this I've done for you. Now you can keep this.
मैंने बोला ये रखो और अभी 5 साल रुक जाओ.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then these 2 films happened,
Yeah,
and then
these
you
2
never
films
looked back.
I mean, it's not that. I mean, I got
Then
a
what
very,
is it?
I got a very warm welcome here. But,
Okay.
And fortunately, I mean, you don't get your second film till your first film releases and people see it. It's a hit. Then they judge you, and then they're like, okay, we can give her another film. So there's also a gap of that time of just being anxious and not knowing what's going to happen.
But you are an anxious kind, na? हर चीज में you're saying I'm anxious. ये
मैं
नहीं हो-
ओवरथिंकर हूँ. मैं स्ट्रेस लेती हूँ.
पर क्यों?
और मेरी पर्सनालिटी
जब
ऐसी.
मैनिफेस्ट करते हो और सब कुछ सच हो जाता है तो स्ट्रेस किस बात का? ये कभी सोचा है?
कि हाँ मैनिफेस्ट करती हूँ but I also want it to happen and I'm like I hope it happens.
Are you too ambitious?
What is too ambitious?
Too ambitious is कि सब कुछ हो रहा है पर फिर भी दिल मांगे मोर.
Yeah, that's ambitious. I am ambitious. I don't get satisfied very easily and I do feel like what next and what more. That is a constant.
So you're raising the bar. Is it ambition in the form of ambition के raising the bar के now मैंने ये सब कर लिया अब मुझे कुछ और इससे ज़्यादा करना है, I have to push my own boundaries, or is it greed के मुझे ये भी success चाहिए मुझे वो भी
नहीं.
what is it?
It's
How do
pushing
you
my own
define it?
boundaries. It's pushing my own boundaries. It's not like I want to be. It's not about money. It's not about.
It is.
Fame. No, it's not.
A little bit.
No, it's. I mean, fortunately, it comes along with it, but I think it's about doing better than what I'm doing. It's about pushing boundaries. It's about when I also see a lot of people whose work I admire sometimes, and I'm like, wow, like when you're watching a lot of like even Hollywood films or when you watch Meryl Streep, you're like, we are nothing. You feel that and you want to do better than what you're doing. You want an opportunity that I still feel like बहुत कुछ नहीं किया है. So I think वो मेरे में है.
The hunger is there.
Hunger is there.
Even today.
Yeah. What do you mean even today? It's like
in the sense कि
you're
अभी
saying
पिछले
I'm
हफ्ते
retired.
से इस हफ्ते you're counting the success but you're also hungry for the next.
Yeah, but I haven't signed anything.
And then is that an insecurity? Is that a challenge? What is it?
No, it's just it's also the surety of not. I'm okay sitting at home and not being on a set than be on a set for a film that I'm not absolutely excited about. I think that I can afford to do today. I couldn't afford to do it years back. Years back, of course, it has to be like you need to be seen. you need to earn more, you need to be on a set. If you are away, you also feel like people are going to forget you when you just enter the
पर ऐसा
industry.
होता है?
When you just enter the industry, तो होता है ना कभी कभी शुरू में होता है कि if you're not, if there's too much of a gap, you feel that, oh my God, I hope people don't forget me. I hope I still get more opportunities. In the beginning, it happens. After I finished shooting for Bareilly, I didn't shoot anything for about 15 months, which was a very restless time for me because I was like, in the beginning, you have very limited opportunities on your table, especially when you don't come
And
from a
Bareilly ki
film
Barfi
background.
did very well.
Yeah, but मैंने shooting तो उसकी पहले खत्म करी थी. So by the time it released, and then a few months after that also, there was nothing exciting enough that came my way.
So
for a
offers
bit.
were coming, but not exciting enough.
Not exciting, and yeah, like they weren't something that I was feeling like I should do. And then eventually, I ended up feeling like, okay, I just need to be on a set now. It can't take so long. I can't have such a long gap. And I did sign 1-2 films then. But that is also in that phase of my life is a good decision because I also feel like वो पहिया चालू होता है ना तो काम आना शुरू हो जाता है. So I also feel like sometimes you need to start working and just keep working to get more work.
But tell me, if you're sitting at home, for example, after running, you shot for a film which then becomes a success, is there a pressure on you to prove your relevance? Is that a daily grind? कि मैं relevant हूँ नहीं हूँ ये prove करना पड़ता है?
Not anymore. In the
तब?
beginning, yeah, in the beginning it is. Relevant हूँ नहीं हूँ की बात नहीं है. There are also so many other newcomers coming in at the same time that you are. People are doing films. There are films that are coming out. So you sometimes feel like, and if you haven't proven yourself enough, then sometimes you feel like, oh, in this gap, I hope it's not too late, or people don't forget me, or am I there on
Out
their,
of sight,
in the
out of
radar?
mind.
Yeah, so that happens in the beginning.
So did you have to sort of, even in that phase after a couple of films, also have to struggle to go get more work? How would you do it in a industry like you said where you were an outsider?
See, fortunately, I've been with an agency, so agency is kind of trying to find work for you. It's not, you're not doing that, but I would still, and I'm such a shy person when it comes to like approaching people, na, that I
Shy?
approaching directors.
Ali is shy.
Ali's
I
not
mean-
me. But I'm shy in the sense I'm awkward sometimes, which I had to teach myself कि नहीं भाई, if you want to work with the director, you have to go and tell them it's okay. It's okay, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या है, नहीं करेंगे काम. It's
तो
fine.
कौन सा ऐसा डायरेक्टर है जिसके पास आप गए और आपने कहा मुझे आपके साथ काम?
मैं बहुत सारे के पास, मैं आनंद सर के पास कुछ 4, 5, 6 बार गई होंगी before I did तेरे इश्क में. And we used to have lovely conversations, and he was always fond of me. But something didn't click, some character, or he was looking for something else in the character, and something didn't click. But I feel कि जब होना होता है तब होता है. So it happened in तेरे इश्क में, but I met him multiple times before.
And then who else?
For no reason. I just met him and I said, I really want to work with you. I would love to be directed by you in a love story. And then finally it happened much later.
And then who else did you want to work with and you went in?
I've met many people. I've met Raju Irani sir, like that. I've met Imtiaz sir. I've met many directors. Almost all my favorite directors I went and I met. Because it's always good to just meet, because I've not lived in this industry. They don't know me, since a kid. They don't. So I sometimes when you just talk to a person also, they kind of gauge your personality. If something has to click, it clicks.
But tell me, being a rank outsider, coming in, trying to find your feet in an industry that's cutthroat competitive, and there are a lot of things, the money is riding on projects, and there are lots of variables that need to be fitted in. How did it work for you? Was it always fair? Is it just sincerity, perseverance that works, merit works? or are there extraneous factors?
See, I think everyone has their own struggles, I feel. There have been points in my life where I felt frustrated, where I felt like I knew that I had so much more in me, but I didn't have the opportunity to put it in. You know, the kind of opportunity with a meaty role where I could sort of prove my talent was not there in front of me at many points earlier. And it gets like sometimes you are frustrated that if I don't have a vessel as an actor, how do I even pour anything in it? What do I do? But I feel that, I feel everyone's journey is different. So for me, yes, just making sure that whatever film I choose, whether it works or it doesn't work, I need to give my 100%. I need to make the most of whatever I'm getting. To also choose better films when I have the opportunities in front of me, and just consistency in general. And
Are
I'm
there films
also,
that you lost out because you were an outsider?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know on what basis decisions are made, but there are opportunities sometimes that are coming to you, or you know that they're talking about you, and then kind of goes to a Starcade. It used to happen early on. When I
you were
I still
relatively
hadn't,
new.
Yeah. It happened then. So that also used to sometimes be like, I wish I had that opportunity. But I feel ठीक है. It's everyone. I'm
Which
proud
is
of
the
the.
one film that maybe you lost out and you felt really bad के
I
आने वाली थी और नहीं आई, अगर आती तो.
I honestly never like talking about projects that I've not been a part of because they've been done by someone else. I don't want to take that away from that person. So I never name. I wouldn't want to name. But I think somewhere it's okay. Sometimes things that don't come to you also, sometimes it's good because some of them didn't work also. So it's fine.
So it's fine.
Yeah.
Are you a good girl, minding all your P's and Q's, galat nahi bolna, because there are no
not that galat nahi
controversies, nahi hai. You don't want to be
sad
linked.
face.
Haan, I mean, somebody as young as you would say what has to be said. People say it, na. We just said social media पे लोग कहते हैं चीजें.
हाँ,
Are you too guarded?
No, it's not about guarded, but I feel that everyone's going through their own struggles. And I don't know their struggle. So I don't want to comment on someone unnecessarily and make it a bad day for them.
Kriti Sanon, good
कुछ
girl.
अच्छा नहीं बोल सकते हो तो मत बोलो, is my motto.
Are you a good girl? Always wanting
Yeah.
to be a good girl.
I have that good girl syndrome a little bit.
Or with a body and the clothes that you're wearing in Cocktail, or the lack of them, did you really work for that? Because I've seen that the Cocktail rushes, and then Mimi, where you gain weight,
Yeah, I did.
and you know you're
Yeah.
expecting a baby and you're
Yeah.
looking the part.
Yeah.
Did it ever scare you at that time that you're playing a mother to be, and a mother in that film too early in your career? You might be typecast for more senior roles.
You know, I was told this by a lot of people. Like, a lot of people give you ज्ञान ना, जब नहीं भी मांगा है तब भी दे देते हैं लोग.
कौन देता था ज्ञान?
बहुत लोग देते हैं. अब आप नाम पूछोगे, मैं नाम नहीं बोलूंगी ना, मैं दोस्त ही देते हैं.
हाँ.
दोस्त देते हैं, मैनेजर्स देते हैं कई बार. So some people said that अरे you're going to play a mother so young, then it ages you, or you're doing a film on surrogacy, it's such a serious topic, थोड़ा arty हो जाएगा, you shouldn't do like arty stuff. But I feel it never crossed my mind, because when I heard that script, all I saw was I loved the script. I loved what it said. I loved that there was so much humor with so much heart and still a message. And I felt like I was hungry for that opportunity. And I saw this beautiful character that I was like, okay, this I really want to do. I can't not do this. So I don't think it ever crossed my mind. मैंने life में कभी gain नहीं किया था weight. मेरा weight fluctuate ज़्यादा होता ही नहीं है. Touch wood.
It's all of 20 kilos.
Metabolism is I'm blessed with it, but
It's all of 20 kilos.
what?
Your weight.
No, I'm way more. 60,
60.
61, 62, yeah.
That must be because
Of my height
yeah, your height.
and
You know
heavy
what?
bones.
5, 10.
9. 9.5 almost. Yeah.
My
Yeah.
God. I mean,
Yeah.
you literally tower above everybody else. And how was that
With the
feeling?
heats for sure. For sure.
वो पहले जमाने में एक ये भी होता था ना कि इतना लंबा हीरो कहाँ से लाएं? अब होता है ऐसा?
कुछ लंबे हैं कुछ नहीं पर आई थिंक इट डजंट
It
मैटर.
just works?
या इट वर्क्स. थोड़ा मैं हील नहीं पहनती हूँ, थोड़ा वो पहन लेते हैं, थोड़ा कैमरा
works.
एंगल से हो जाता है. या आई पर्सनली फील केमिस्ट्री जो है वो इज मोर हियर. So if you have chemistry as people and you have chemistry in close up, it doesn't matter. Everything else is fixable.
Fixable.
Yeah.
तो केमिस्ट्री किस किस के साथ आपको लगता है आपकी होती है?
I mean, I think
Your
Shahid
poet.
and I have great chemistry. We've done 2 films and I think we felt it instantly in the first film itself. The moment we started the film, in the first few scenes, we felt like on screen there was something there which was just, there was a beautiful give and take. Even when we didn't say anything, there was this organic chemistry that was there. So I think I have great chemistry with him. I've had great chemistry with Karthik, Tiger, Varun. Varun and I have a very different kind of a chemistry. हम कभी-कभी दोस्त भी बन जाते हैं क्योंकि हम हैं. I feel वो दोस्ती कहीं ना कहीं दिखती है chemistry में. Yeah.
And you can let your hair down with co-actors who are comfortable. You are comfortable with.
Yeah, I mean, fortunately, I've been comfortable with all. I have great chemistry with Pankaj Tripathi.
I know.
Yeah, so
He's
it's
somebody.
one of my favorite ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he's a very organic kind of zameen se jude
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he does a lot of like improvisations, which are so fun. So many times in Mimi, in fact, in the trailer, a lot of this improvs actually came in the trailer because they were so organic.
I mean,
Yeah.
he's again up there in terms of an actor and his
Yeah.
love affair
He's too good.
with the camera and the craft that he brings
he's
to
too
the
good,
table.
too good.
But tell me, now you don't have a film after doing so well. So how does this work from here on? Are you going through that stress phase again?
No, I'm
Because
going
you
on
have a
holiday.
success? Okay. Okay.
I'm not going through a stress phase at all. I think, I would love to be on a set. I know that time and again I would feel this urge to, be on a film set, find a new character. But I think I want to do quality over quantity because I feel like I want to find that character that, gets me so excited that, I'm obsessed with it. I think wo mujhe
So
excitement.
are you discussing some projects?
Yeah, of course. I'm reading a lot of scripts. I'm meeting a lot of people, taking a lot of narrations, even to produce. I'm trying to
I know
kind
you have
of.
a production house. You're a businesswoman as well.
Yes.
I mean, you have a cosmetic brand. You have a clothes.
Skincare, yeah.
Yes. So
Yeah.
skincare brand.
I have a skincare brand. I have a fitness brand, like fitness studio,
Yeah.
and I have Blue Butterfly Films, which we're looking for good scripts. If anyone has, please let us know.
Okay. And so there's enough on your plate to do. I mean, there was such
Yeah, it's not like I'm not busy. I'm busy with other stuff, but I think वो film
करनी है.
का जो excitement होता है film set पे एक character को ढूंढना
And living that character.
Yeah, living that character. I think वो excitement बहुत ही अलग होता है. So I think that is something
But
that I'm
I
hungry
want
for.
to ask you this: Are you so watchful about your P's and Q's? Because there's this speculation about your love life that keeps going on, and once I think you've lost your cool also when somebody asks you "Shadi kab ho rahi hai?" Shadi nahi, but
That is not
relationship. Relationship. I mean, there are all these pictures with Kabir, somebody called Kabir in your life that. Those pictures surface, and then there's one very straight-faced, no comment kind of.
But I personally have always been. Have you ever heard me talk about my personal life ever?
No, you don't have to talk
There is
about
a
it,
part
but
of
not
my
even posing in a picture when, you're
Posing
in
in pictures? I post pictures with everyone. I have no qualms about that.
लाइफ में सब स्पेशल नहीं होते ना.
But I really feel that I've always been someone who, there's a large part of my life that is, you know, the audiences, whether it's my professional life, there's a large part of my personal life also that I share willingly with them. There is even my family bits and moments that I
So
love
only
sharing.
one part
But
is
I feel
kept
that
out.
you gotta protect some 10-20% आपको अपने लिए बचा के रखना पड़ता है. And I feel that I wouldn't want to ever talk about my personal life, at least till I'm married. The day I get married, I will talk about it. Now you're going to ask me when are you getting married?
नहीं, मैं नहीं पूछ रही ना, मेरे को डांट थोड़ी खानी है. लास्ट टाइम यू सेड तुम मेरी चाची हो के.
But ये चाची जी वाली क्वेश्चन
तो
होते
इसलिए
हैं.
मैं चाची जी बनना ही नहीं ना चाहती.
Very
मैं
good.
सिर्फ पूछ रही हूँ कि if there is a special someone, I mean, you don't have to necessarily. I'm also the mother of Gen Z kids, so you know, decision on marriage I know comes when they
When
want
it
to.
comes, yeah.
So
I know.
we all know that we can't put pressure on people to get married, and definitely not on you. But admitting you're in a relationship, उसमें
But
क्या-
why?
If there isn't,
But
then there
anyways,
isn't.
why to talk about that part of your life? For what? Because I feel like
Because I'll tell you why. Because you're a star, and there is curiosity about the star. You know, that's the you know, flip side of the success and the stardom that you have. People want to know, okay, are you hooked or not?
No,
Are
but
you
I
in a
don't think
relationship
people.
or not?
No, but I don't think people have the right to know everything. It's fine. There are some things that are just for me and my close people, and in me and my close people, I say everything.
So we've seen this special somebody at your sister's wedding.
Yeah, there were lots of friends there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but one special friend
one
nahi,
special friend.
was there as well.
So I just say that I wouldn't accept or deny anything. Let's just leave it at
how
that.
magnanimous of
Let's
you.
leave it at that.
How magnanimous of
क्योंकि
you.
आप जितना भी पूछोगे आपको कुछ मिलेगा नहीं मेरे अंदर से इस टॉपिक पे.
ये क्या प्रोग्राम्ड है कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर
yeah.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजीनियर ने
Unaccessible at this point.
हाँ सॉफ्टवेयर को प्रोग्राम ऐसे
प्रोग्राम किया हुआ है, अभी लॉक्ड है.
ये क्या भाई
इसका पासवर्ड अभी नहीं खुलेगा.
if everybody is guessing
But nice था, let some curiosity be. सब कुछ
अच्छा,
अपनी लाइफ में डाल दोगे बाहर.
this is your you know suspense thriller
Yeah.
कि बताओ
Some curiosity, some. It should be ना, little bit तो should be there. पहले तो कितनी होती थी, अभी तो कितनी हमारी लाइफ बाहर है.
कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं, कुछ नहीं है. You're
अच्छी
so
बात है ना. My mom's very happy.
your mom's very happy. Okay.
Yeah.
And good girl है. Mom की good girl.
Yeah.
Do you miss your sister after her wedding?
Yeah, man. I really do. I feel
You
now
thick as
it's
thieves?
become now it's become like she calls me. She's like, I'm coming home for 1.5 hours or something, 2 hours or something. Where are you? And I'm like, I'm shooting. She's like, no, by the time you reach, I'll be gone. So it's like not seeing her every single day, which I'm so not used to. We used to hear only in the evening. If we were home, all of us, we would have chai.
Sit and watch
The sunset is beautiful. Have chai, you know, and just like talk every morning. If I was home, it would be a ritual that मैं जैसे मम्मी पापा जल्दी उठे हैं, नुपुर बाद में उठी है, मैं और बाद में अगर उठी हूँ तो फिर I would get everybody to the drawing room and living room and sit there and we'll talk about like life and what's happening, and she's also the entertainer, the chatty one.
You're not chatty at all? You're always
chatpati
watching
one.
your pieces.
Yeah, I'm also
You're a
chatty.
good girl.
I'm very chatty.
Why am I imagining you like a good girl in a
आप ये
school dress
कैमरास बंद
with
करोगे मैम, मैं आपके साथ बहुत सारी चीजें चेक करूंगी.
कैमरे में natural रहो. You're a natural.
But I'm natural only, not that I'm faking anything.
हाँ तो फिर then why this censored kind of thing?
Some bits should be censored. It's not for the world. It's for you.
Okay, so
Not all parts of your life is also out, na?
it's out there.
No, not everything. Not some personal things of you.
Yeah, like how much I scold my kids. Yeah, it's totally out.
How much you scold your kids now. When I have kids, even I'll tell you how much I scold them. That's okay.
I'm not asking you, is it going to be anytime soon?
No, definitely not.
I will
No,
not
I'm
ask
saying it's not going to be soon.
you. It's not going to be soon.
No.
Yeah, I know, because we're still looking for the next project
Yeah.
right now, and we
Yeah.
are reading scripts.
Yeah.
And-
That is my on top of my agenda right now.
Yeah, and we're looking like $1,000,000
And going on holiday.
and going on holiday. For how long?
Let's see. Normally I take a month holiday in July normally. My birthday is also there, so I kind of take off. And July में somehow बहुत ज़्यादा काम नहीं हो रहा होता है यहाँ पर, so
Everybody is
Yeah,
in the
is
summer vacation
in a-
mode.
Yeah, vacay mode. Yeah.
Yeah, so what's your destination? What's your favorite holiday destination?
I like Europe a lot. I like exploring Europe in different parts of it. There's something nice about
The historical.
historic food, the vibe, even the whatever, the way the floors are, the streets are. I think something is very
The pebbled cobble
nice.
streets
and
stuff like that.
I really like, Europe.
Walking in your stilettos can be fun there.
I never wear stilettos except for when I'm like dressed for anything. I'm always in either flats or sneakers.
I know, you don't even need
Yeah.
the extra.
I don't. I have it in me, inbuilt.
So tell me, you've done all genres of films. What do you enjoy most? Romance, commercial cinema, a Mimi every now and then, a sci-fi. You've done it all. What is it that you want to do next to redefine yourself?
What I enjoy, I actually really enjoy any kind of intensity. I think because intense emotions are just deeper emotions, and I feel like it's very satisfying as an actor. It's also liberating as an actor somewhere. So whether it's in intense love story or even Mimi has some intensity. So that's what I enjoy as an actor. But what I would love to do, I have explored little bits of grey in Tere Ishq Mein, even in Ali, in little bits. Like I've been a good girl in life. So I feel a lot of times the characters that were coming my way were also more good girls. There were lesser greys in them. And I feel now also cinema is changing and people are writing female characters that also have grey shades. पहले थोड़ा male lens से होता था. तो वो हमेशा सती सावित्री, अच्छी, सुशील, coy.
You want to be badass.
Coy, like she would be like that. Now it's written from a little more neutral perspective. So even female characters are nuanced and there is more grey. So Tere Ishq Mein had a little bit of grey shade. Do Patti, I enjoyed playing Shelly. I felt Shelly was such an unapologetic character, and
but then
I enjoyed
the
her
counterfoil
meanness.
was also Kriti Sanon, the good one.
But उसमें भी grey shades थे, अलग थे. Hers was more psychological. But Shelly, I enjoyed her meanness. I enjoyed her being absolutely bratty and unapologetic. Even Ali, in bits and parts in the film, can come across bit bitchy. But
Are you bitchy in real life?
in real life, you think?
No,
No.
I mean, everybody is at some point or the other, and it's okay to be.
I can be bitchy in fun, but not like.
हाँ, तो funny होता है. हम
that
किसी
person, हाँ. नहीं fun नहीं होता है कहीं.
नहीं.
थोड़ा कुमोले का vibe भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं है.
Come on.
Life
You've
में,
encountered that? You've encountered that in the industry?
people.
Has anybody been a Kamolika to you?
No, but there are some of them. They might have not been to me.
Now you'll
Now
again
you're
say,
gonna
man,
ask
I will not
names."
take names.
How can I take names? I can't take names.
There should have been a mandir ki ghanti with you.
No, but I
You
feel.
want to be bratty, but you'll be
See,
absolute.
the thing is, as an actor, I have the opportunity of not being me on screen and playing a character
So
that
in
is
real
so
life
different.
also you can be bindas.
I am bindas. Bindas has nothing to do with me. Bindas can be bindas. But I feel
Once in a while we are all mean to people. Yeah.
People who deserve it, yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
I'm
comes
just
out.
asking you who
Yeah,
deserves
people who
it.
deserve it sometimes
So
comes
who
out.
deserves it
But
from your
Shelley's-
lens?
If you're gonna only ask me names, what do I do?
Huh.
No, I don't want to be mean to anyone, if that's what you're asking.
Then you want to be in the Sati Savitri mode.
No, the
Sushil.
people who I feel any kind of negativity from or any.
Are there lots of those?
No, there have been some. But what I do is instead of firing back, I think I like disassociating myself and detaching myself. Just being like cut, not
Arm's
having
length.
not having them in my vicinity, because I feel like that energy kind of gets into your aura and I don't want that. So I that's how I've always
Do you
been.
think people classify actors into categories? She can only do a glamorous role. She can do this, serious and de-glam kind of role. Do you think those kind of labels exist? Because
Yeah.
you've kind of transcended all of them.
No, if you do too many of one kind of a thing, it does exist. You don't realize when you end up typecasting yourself by doing too much of the same genre and the same kind of characters, which is why I like breaking it once in a while.
So,
I like doing something different. I also get bored. I get bored of doing the same
but do
thing.
labels matter?
No, they don't matter. But as an actor, you need to be versatile. No, you're an actor. You need to not be doing only one kind of role. So, like when I did Bareilly Ki Barfi, so suddenly people were like, "Acha, ye small town role,
अच्छा कर लेती है."
अच्छा कर लेती hai. She fits in this
So
world.
then you
she's
have to
blending."
come back with this
Then I got
plan.
Luka Chupi. I got a Mimi also. But before that, I was getting only small town roles. And suddenly I was like, now I need to shift this gear and change it into something else. So in between, I did a Panipat to kind of break it. I did Mimi. Then after Mimi, I was again like, I don't want to do another same zone again. I did a Bhedia, which was like no reference point for me. Teri Baaton Mein was no reference point. When I did Tere Ishq Mein, it was such an intense film that I was like, अभी इसके बाद मेरे में intensity बची नहीं है immediately, recharge चाहिए. So Cocktail came my way and I felt like Tere Ishq Mein and Cocktail, if you see the two characters, they look so different. So you need to kind of
Reinvent yourself with every.
and not keep doing the same thing, because I feel like your audience will get bored. And you also
If
will
you
get
yourself
bored.
are bored, obviously it'll convey through the camera.
And you will get bored, na, as an actor, if you're repeating yourself and doing the same
Is
thing.
there somebody's approval in the film industry that you kind of look forward to? कि इन्होंने कहा कि अच्छा है तो अच्छा है, या इन्होंने अभी तक मुझे कभी कुछ नहीं कहा, अगर कह दें तो लाइफ बन जाए टाइप्स?
Life बन जाए वाला मतलब I'm sure there are so many directors who I would love to work with, who if I get a praise from them, or if I get a message, I feel like it's amazing.
Like who?
I mean, I would love to work with Bhansali sir. I would love to. Let's manifest.
You work with him and I want to interview him.
Done. Let's do this together.
So when you meet him next,
Yeah. So I would love to work with him. I would love to work with Zoya. I think she has a very, very different
way.
eye. Her vision is very different, and there's something very cool about the way she makes her movies.
And they're real.
Yeah, I would love to work with Ayan. I really like I feel like Ye Jawani Hai Deewani was just so amazing.
Yeah.
That I can rewatch it like 500 times.
Okay. A second Deepika film that...
No, I don't want to remake it for sure. Don't want to remake it for sure. But I feel like there's so many directors like that I haven't worked with. Imtiaz sir I haven't worked with. I would love to work with him. I feel like some of his films were like films that I've seen multiple times in theaters. Jab Bhi Met For That Matter.
Yeah.
Rockstar. I feel like the way he kind of gets the layers of characters is really, really interesting. Rajamouli sir. इतने सारे हैं, किसी का भी message आएगा तो मैं खुशी होंगी.
Is there, I mean, since you're an outsider, in the current day, is there even something like a casting couch or discrimination that you've felt in the industry?
I mean, I've been fortunate not to go through any of it, casting couch. Even when I was
a newcomer?
Even when I was a newcomer, I didn't really face any of it. Maybe
Are they professional?
Yeah, I mean, I can't speak for anybody else because ऐसे बहुत लोग होंगे जिनका experience बहुत अलग हुआ होगा, and I'm sure it did exist because series of names came out at a point. But I feel that maybe because I was with an agency and I had that, everything was screening through them, so I never was put in a situation like that. I don't know, but I'm fortunate that I didn't go through any of it. But I feel like maybe now things should have changed, at least gotten better.
You don't hear the chatter that comes on other issues. इस पे कोई chatter नहीं सुना.
No, not really.
By and large.
I've not heard anything like that because things like this will really
Come out.
boil my blood if I hear. So I haven't heard any of that around me, at least.
Do female actors have a shelf life? Is that something that is a pressure on the female actors?
I think it's changing, na. I personally feel like it's changing, and I feel like a lot of actors, whether it's Kareena, I mean, so many of them, even Karishma Kapoor right now is doing some work, Madhuri is doing some work, Kajol ma'am is doing some work, some great work. And I feel like it's kind of changing, and women are changing that also. They're taking up roles.
And roles are being written.
Roles are being written.
Are those more
and also, I
on
think
OTT?
Like, not necessarily. Not necessarily. I mean, Bebo has done so many films, including Crew. Tabu ma'am has done Crew.
I know.
So that was not OTT. So films are being written. I think it's also a choice, na. What kind of films do you want to do after a certain age? It also becomes that. And all kinds of films are being made, whether it's OTT or theatrical.
So is that a pressure that commercial lead roles are a problem if you're married?
There are so many women who are married right now. Alia's married. I'm the only one who's not married in my generation, right?
But I'm not asking you.
That's okay. I'm very happy you're not asking me. But I'm saying that right now Alia's married, Deepika's married, Katrina's married, Kiara's married. So many of them are married. Everybody is married right now. And so I don't think marriage... See, I think marriage doesn't change the fact that you're still doing commercial films. You are. But एक ना मैं कभी-कभी कुछ चैटर सुनती हूँ कि अरे उसकी शादी हो गई वो इतना यंग रोल कैसे करेगी जो लड़कों के लिए नहीं आता है. Like I think वो कभी ये लड़के तो मतलब that whatever age they're playing like really young roles and no one questions.
Yeah.
So I think it's an internal chatter that sometimes I hear that no, she's married. She won't fit in for this part. Or uska this person has she has a baby.
So there is a shelf life, that is imposed on the female actor.
Shelf life maybe on playing certain kind of parts, but I also feel that those people who talk like this it's not everyone. It's some people. I still feel there are a lot of people who are making
maturer roles that fit.
Who are making choices where it doesn't matter if the person is married or not married and is still doing roles. Right now, Alia's married. She has a baby, but she's playing 18 in Alpha. So I don't think it matters. There are people who are also...
Do you watch what competition is doing? Like, do you keep track of what other female actors are doing? Who's getting what project? Is that something that you have to keep track of as a professional in a profession?
I think with social media being there, you don't need to keep a track of everything is thrown in your face. So you know it. Everybody knows it.
But from the time when they sign the film, you know what's going on.
Not all the time. Sometimes even I get to know announcement stage पे. But sometimes see internally everyone talks, right? So you get to know. कोई ना कोई बोल देता है कुछ या उससे पहले जिससे वो sign होते हैं आजकल तो बात चल रही होती है और social media पे आ जाता है कहीं से. So I feel like you really can't keep it.
Right now the whole country is involved in Dawn 3 में क्या हो रहा है.
I also don't know क्या हो रहा है.
कौन जा रहा है और क्यों हो रहा है और ban हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. The whole country is involved. It's like national news.
Yeah. But I'm also reading everything on social media only.
So you're like...
No, I'm actually not a part of any conversation that's going on. So I don't get to know. It's not like I'm being
No,
spoken
no, but
to.
you're fully abreast with what's going on social media. Are you?
I'm reading, but how much of what is true,
But
I
you
also
don't say
get to
anything.
know.
There's no controversy, no nothing about you. Again, that's what I'm saying. कि मतलब
But now it's not. I didn't leave the film, so it's not on me.
okay, it's not. On. But you know, when you read all of this, is there pressure on you on being seen somewhere? An airport look is important, or the paparazzi has to follow you. I mean, how does that work? And is that a pressure on actors?
It's sometimes it's not a pressure. See, pressure is how much you take also.
But you're the stressed kinds, no?
Yeah, I mean, I do see, which I love. I see sometimes Bebo just walking in pajamas and like a t-shirt and not bothered. So I would love to be that person. I think I've not yet walked in pajamas, but I would love to. But I feel I don't take the pressure, but sometimes it gets a little
Can't
too
be
much.
yourself.
Yeah, sometimes you're not really dressed or you want to be comfortable, and I'm too a very comfortable kind of a person. Or sometimes your mood is a little off, but you can't show that. You might have not slept or had a night shoot and you've taken a flight, you've landed somewhere, but you can't be like all groggy. So I think कभी-कभी कहीं हो जाता है कि मुझे लगता है कि हर जगह नहीं खींचते फोटो, but they're also doing their job at the end of it. So I also I mean we are
play
all
along.
a part of the same industry. सबका काम एक साथ चलता है. So I feel like
What do you think about surgical interventions to improve looks, which is also a pressure? You know, your nose has to be a certain way.
हाँ, I didn't get your question. What?
A lot of people are doing a lot of stuff, na. Nose jobs, jawline,
cosmetic surgeries.
cosmetic
Yeah.
surgeries, and all. What do you think about that? Is that something that the profession demands?
No, but to each their own. It doesn't demand, but I feel like it's not just actors doing it. I mean,
Everybody.
in the world, whoever wants to do it can do it, and I'm sure they do it. A lot of people do it. But I feel like to each their own. I don't think I judge that. If it makes you happy, you do what makes you happy.
But does somebody come up and tell you, okay, this should be a certain way, and then the actor is supposed to sort of.
When you just enter the industry, sometimes that time there's a lot of like people giving you advice and telling you what this is not correct or that is not correct. And even when I had just entered, I was told, oh, you have a gummy smile, which I do. I mean,
What is a gummy smile? Acha.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I laugh really loudly, my gums show a lot. But I mean, I was told that, oh, maybe you should correct that. But I think that made me unique and different, and I never fell for it.
Okay.
So I did have some sane people also around me telling me that please don't listen to all this nonsense. So I didn't do it. But sometimes pressure में आके कुछ लोग कर भी लेते होंगे. So I didn't succumb to it, but somebody else could have.
So, you come, initially from a middle class background, and is that something that, keeps you rooted? Do you have friends in the industry, or is it not possible to have friends in the industry? It's too competitive.
No,
Do you still
can
have a bunch
friends.
of friends that you hang out with?
Yeah, I do have my bunch of friends, very few. I'm someone who has like, I can count on my fingertips, my friends in general. But when I'm close to you, I'm like, I'm a Leo, I'm full on loyal, you're my person, it's that.
Well, we have that in common.
Yeah, so I'm all
Leos
for loyalty.
are like that.
Yeah. So I have few friends. I don't think it's impossible to make friends in the industry. I don't have, we end up working more with male actors and producers and directors. That's what we're surrounded with in the industry. And I feel like what happens is you are with a group of people for about 6 months, a year maybe when you're shooting. And then everyone moves on to a different part of their lives. So it's very difficult to stay connected, to keep in touch. But there are some people who who I still am in touch, like how I was, like Varun Dhawan from Dilwale. You know, I feel like we've stayed friends. Varun Sharma again from Dilwale, we've stayed friends. I feel Dinesh Vijan is like a brother to me. He's always had my back, and he's someone, in fact, I can also go for like advice, or if I want to just bounce off some script that I'm hearing or some idea that I have in my head. So I do have a lot of people who I feel like are my well-wishers, will be happy for me if I'm succeeding. And your friends should be, na? So those are friends. But yeah, they're not too many. I mean, my two college best friends, we don't meet for like months. But whenever we do,
They're
whenever I go,
Delhi-based?
yeah, Delhi based. So whenever I go to Delhi, this time I couldn't because both of them were not there. But every time I go for Delhi for any promotion or anything, I always make a point to meet them, like for a dinner or for anything. And whenever we meet, it's the same. The vibe is the same.
Like in college.
It's like catching up. It's like,
Yeah.
okay, tell me more, tell me this, tell me that. It's like, and you
So
just put your
you
heart
gossip?
out
You gossip?
about everything that's happening in your life. No, they ask you. Them I tell about my personal life also.
Okay.
Yeah. So my close people, I say everything.
Okay.
Yeah. So
It's
I
only
feel-
censored for you, the viewer. You're not allowed here. No entry लगी हुई है. यहाँ पर शायद किसी दिन थोड़ा सा.
password is invalid for now.
Okay. I want to do a rapid fire with you. One role you wish you had done.
You know, Tabu ma'am's role in Andhadhun, I think was outstanding. I loved her in Andhadhun. I also loved Alia and Gangubai. I think she was phenomenal, and that was such a powerful role. I love when people write like strong
Women.
female parts and just present them also in a very, very strong manner.
Anybody who's writing a script, any director who's
Yeah,
hearing.
yeah, we all are manifesting right now.
A director you would say yes to without hearing the script.
It's very tricky.
Because you're an overthinker, that's
No,
why.
it's not that, because I have
Implicit trust in the craft of the man or the woman.
I mean, it's very tricky because I've been in that situation where I've not heard the full script and I've done it, and then when I heard the final script, it didn't like land for me. So it's very tricky in today's time to like not hear a script and do it.
But track records, I mean, maybe a new director you may have a problem with, but an established director.
Yeah, I think, to be honest, I love Lakshman sir and I've loved working with him. So him, I would give that. I would love to work with Sanjay Bansali sir. So I think something, you're smiling, you really
your
want this.
diary.
You really
I'm
want
looking
this.
for your diary of dreams where
Yeah.
you can put that down, because now it's the second or the third time that you've mentioned
Yeah,
him.
yeah.
So diary of dreams, please somebody remind her to put it in.
Even
there.
Anand sir, I think I don't need to hear a full script, because I think वो कुछ scenes में ही जो आपको बता देते हैं ना. मतलब honestly, when I said yes to तेरे इश्क में, I had not heard the full script. He had told me the story and just like few scenes, and the way he explains something na, you either feel it or you don't feel it, so you know. So I feel like he's also that.
बातें दिल से, movies
Yeah.
दिल से. Any performance of yours or a film of yours that you thought was underrated at the time, should have done better?
Should have done better. I feel Bhediya should have done better as a
Okay.
film.
Didn't get its due.
I mean, it did well, but it didn't do as well as we would have wanted it to. I also feel like sometimes the timing of when you're releasing a film also matters. What is coming aage piche also sometimes makes an impact. So I feel उसका timing में थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया, but I feel like it's a film that I'm proud of.
Any co-star who's surprised you with a performance?
I feel I always loved Dhanush's work as an actor whenever I've watched him. But when I performed with him, I realized that he really doesn't know Hindi at all. And he really mugs the dialogues up. तो मुझे लगा था कि थोड़ा बहुत तो आता होगा, थोड़ा बहुत तो समझ में आता होगा, बोल लेता होगा. But actually, if I'm talking in Hindi to someone in front of him, he won't understand. He might pick up some words. He doesn't know Hindi, and still he performs the way he does. And I saw he's very prepared as an actor. He has such a strong hold on his craft. He exactly knows what he's going to do. And he puts in this subtext in the middle of the scene, which I never imagined. Like there is a scene in Tere Ishq Mein where in the pre-climax, and he is telling me, "Tu marti hai to aaj mar, kal mar, mujhe nahi farak padta hai." That is the tonality of his character. And I am begging him. And in between that scene, he has turned twice, thrice. And he has given me like love for me. He's shown love for me on the other side that he didn't show to me, which was never written. And I feel that's a mark of an incredible actor. When I saw that, I was like, oh my God. The shot which was there in the trailer where we meet after 10 years and he slowly looks at me. I had goosebumps when I saw that. So I feel like I knew he's a brilliant actor, but to see him perform with the precision that he does was amazing.
What's harder, your engineering exam, your GMATs, or waiting for a Friday verdict?
Oh, I think if you ask me what gives me more anxiety and just stress, I think waiting for a Friday.
Friday verdict?
Yeah.
Very important.
It is. No, everyone's worked so hard. You've put in so many months of hard work in it, and you want it to do well, and you want people to like it.
One red flag in a relationship that you look out for?
Disrespect. I feel like and in any form, it could be putting you down in front of people. It could be disrespect to your parents. It could be someone who treats some other people who are not at their level with disrespect. I think respect and trust, I feel, are sometimes more important than love.
Okay, now we are talking.
Yeah. General तो मैं बहुत बातें कर सकती हूँ.
A piece of advice from your parents that still guides you.
That still guides me. I think किसी का बुरा नहीं करो. I think that is something that my parents always say, that if someone's being a bad person or mean or whatever, you don't have to be. You don't have to stoop down to that level.
And that still guides you.
Yeah, that's why the good girl syndrome, no?
I'm almost thinking of you in two plats. Guddi Wali Jayabad. Remember?
Yeah, I remember.
One decision that's completely changed your life.
That's completely changed my life. Thinking of becoming an actor, and after engineering, moving to Mumbai to try for films. How did I even think of it, and how did I get the courage of doing that? I still don't remember. Like, I can't go back to that memory, but it was brave.
Yeah, very brave. I mean, and the perseverance. Do rankings matter to you? I mean, tennis, cricket, there are all rankings. In actors, is there a ranking, and are you?
I think ranking na yahan change hoti rehti hai.
Are you number 1, number 2, number 3?
I don't know this, nor will I ever, nor I feel like rankings change. It's not a...
It's also something to do with the kind of fee that an actor commands.
Maybe, but doesn't the fee also come with more experience? A more experienced actor will probably command more because the fees trickled up over years.
No, it's about the successes that you've
Success
delivered.
for sure, 100% for sure. But I feel like success also over years. But I mean, I don't. Yes, I would love. I get inspired by other people's work and all of that, and there are people whose work I really look out for, watch out for because I like their work. But I don't think I this 1, 2, 3 keeps changing and all. I don't
Every
know where I
Friday.
am. Yeah, every
You
Friday.
know where you are.
No, I really don't know where I am. I'm in a good place. That's what I know. And I think I'm happy with
So
that.
what's the next? What next for Kriti Sanon?
I want to find a really exciting character that shocks people and surprises people. I would love to do something extremely like Gone Girlish. Like it could be like way more shades of grey. And you know what is, we were talking about grey shades that time. What is more interesting about grey is that you need to make the audience love to hate you, but then at some point you need to make them hate to love you, you know, where they feel for you also. Like they may not like you at some point, but then if they start feeling for you, that's
That it's human, even to
Yeah,
have the grey
yeah,
shade,
yeah.
and they accept you with the grey shades.
yeah,
That's what.
and still somewhere they feel for you. But I also feel like I would love to do a thriller. I don't think I've done too many thrillers. I think Dopati was probably my only thriller, which was also not like a complete one. It was more psychological. But I'd love to explore thriller as a genre. I think that also has a lot of theatrical appeal, I feel.
So when I said what next, you're only talking about work. That's it for
Taking
now.
life one at a time, one day at a time. I'm not much of a planner. I can't plan. I'm terrible at planning.
Okay.
I go with the flow. It's
Go.
kind of worked for me.
So are you going on this holiday now with your sister, or first time without sister?
No, my sister and Stebin are also coming. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. They always end up coming for my birthday because it's like
It's like the done thing. It's
now a given. It's like you have to keep yourself free for this time.
I know.
Yeah,
Itna to banta
and
hai.
even before marriage, Stebin was also there on these holidays every July. So yeah. It's become a bit of a ritual now.
So part of the foursome.
Yeah.
Well, if nobody noticed, I got her to admit something. Part of the foursome.
I actually didn't hear you. There are
Well,
many more.
Then, while you check out, your various faculties,
You're so happy right now. You're like,
we'll wrap it up at this
कोई
stage.
controversy nahi hai. What is going on?
I mean, I don't like plain Janes.
Not for your headlines, but otherwise you like them.
I mean, I know you're not a plain Jane, and therefore when you sense...
I know that you love me, but I know that you hate me for not giving you a headline right now.
No, I got mine. Don't worry about it.
Part of the foursome.
Well, you wait and watch, because
Right now we've spoken about threesome and cocktail too. We're talking about foursome. No.
Well, it's been a pleasure, and I wish you success. I must say this to you, that I have deep respect for somebody who's trained to be an engineer. I mean, it's big deal for me, because middle class families talk and think about professions. But getting an attain, पहले तो engineer बनना इतना मुश्किल है. बनने के बाद then to prove yourself there, to prove yourself and be a new entrant into this industry, to make a name for yourself, to deliver so many successes back to back, and have even the box office tinkling with all the success that's coming in. It's really, really creditable that you've done it in these last 12 years. And I have deep respect for somebody who can do that. And not to mention and not to take away the GMAT 710 score away. I mean, it is phenomenal, and more power to you.
Thank
more
you so
power
much.
to women like you, and I hope you're a role model for many, who are coming up in the industry, and see you as a beacon of hope, as a beacon of, perseverance and hard work.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. For
Thank you. But
joining
I
me.
have to say that like I said, I get very happy when I see strong female parts like roles. I also get very happy when I meet strong females in general, like strong women. And I feel like you're really that person. You've inspired so many women. I feel the way you are. And like I said, your news persona and your, I felt a jhalak of the news persona in this podcast at some
है ना?
point. कहीं
Lest
पे
you
आया,
forget.
कहीं पे निकल के आया बीच में, but also talking to you off camera, I know like how you are, and you're a proud grandmother, and just you inspire so many women. So please, like, thank you for that.
I mean, it might just become cheesy mutual admiration club, but what the hell?
Yeah.
How many women toast each other? So
Should do.
thank you very much,
Thank you.
Kriti Sanon,
Thank
for
you.
joining me on Baatein Dil Se. And truly, it was Dil Se. Thoda sa censored tha, 20%. Viewers, I'm working on that. We'll come back with more. Watch this space.